Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Norton Ghost. This powerful software helps you protect your computer by creating comprehensive backups of your entire system. It captures everything, from your operating system and applications to all your personal files. Should anything go wrong, Norton Ghost allows you to easily restore your computer to a previous, functional state. It also offers robust disk cloning capabilities, perfect for upgrading your hard drive without reinstalling everything. Let's dive into how to use these essential features. Creating a system backup is your first line of defense against data loss. To begin, launch Norton Ghost and select the option to define a new backup. You will then choose which drives or partitions you wish to include in your recovery point. Next, specify a secure location for saving this backup, such as an external hard drive or a network share. Finally, confirm your settings and start the process. This creates a complete image of your system. When disaster strikes, restoring your system is straightforward. If your computer cannot start, boot from a Symantec recovery disk. Once in the recovery environment, select the option to recover your computer or specific files. You will then browse to and select the desired recovery point file. Carefully choose the destination drive for the restoration, understanding that its current data will be overwritten. Confirm your choices, and Norton Ghost will begin restoring your system to its previous state. Cloning a hard drive is ideal for upgrading to a larger or faster drive without reinstalling your operating system. First, connect your new hard drive to the computer. Within Norton Ghost, navigate to the Tools section and select the Copy My Hard Drive feature. You will then choose your current drive as the source and the new drive as the destination. Be aware that all data on the destination drive will be overwritten. Confirm your selection to begin the cloning process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.